Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Whether you're looking for a cool gift or a way to spark your child's interest in technology, these mini drones are about to take playtime to new heights. In this video, we'll be diving into the features, safety measures, and the sheer joy that these compact flyers bring to the little pilots in your life. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of mini drone for kids on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1.
Siblings compete at everything. A never-ending game of one-upping the other. Whether it's having skills or just showing off. Fun is always the winner with the Holystone HS210 drone. Perfect for flyers of all ages and experience. Holystone.
Number 2. The size of the X-Pack 2 drone with camera for kids is quite small and can perfectly fit in your palm. The TTOP mini drone is foldable with folding arms. This humanized design makes this kid drone possible to fit the drone for kids. The one-button takeoff and landing feature this drone with camera for kids have means that with a simple press of a button, then you can get your kid's drone rise to a height or land. On altitude hold mode, you can accurately lock the height and location of the RC drone, stable hover and capture video or photos from any angle shooting, making sure that TTOP drone with camera is easy to operate even for your youngest child. TTOP camera drone offers you a precious experience of enjoying the view in the air with awesome perspective. When fully charged under 5 volts, the flight time is 5 to 6 minutes. By connecting your phone with TTOP drones, the view will be shown directly on your phone, providing you fantastic FPV experiences. We recommend this drone for children age of 8 to 12. A built-in G sensor, TTOP drones with camera for kids are designed to allow controlling app. Trajectory flight function is the newest technology that by drawing a flight course on the touchscreen on your smartphone, the RC drone for kids will fly along the path you set and shoot easily. Number 3. Get ready for an exhilarating adventure with our amazing Cool Stunts drone with LED lights. This high-flying marvel performs eye-catching 360-degree rotations and flips, providing endless excitement for children. With a simple press of the 2.4 GHz non-interference remote's 3 speed levels, multiple players can accelerate their hand drones and perform stunts together. This remote control drone is adorned with vibrant LED strips, adding a touch of splendor to its stunts, especially during nighttime flights. The LED lights also serve as a guide, indicating the drone's directions for effortless operation. Plus, with 2 rechargeable batteries included, your flying time extends up to an impressive 16 minutes. Even young pilots can effortlessly fly this mini RC drone with just a push of a button. Thanks to the altitude holding function, the drone remains stable in the air, ensuring a smooth flight. The headless mode feature is perfect for beginners, preventing them from losing track of the drone's orientation. Number 4. This small drone can perform different types of 360 degrees flips. It offers the opportunity to experiment with different flight patterns, combinations and sequences, allowing pilots to personalize their flying style and create unique aerial performances. Each speed mode offers different responsiveness and maneuverability characteristics, allowing pilots to tailor the drone's behavior to their specific needs. Starting in low speed mode, novice pilots can practice basic flight maneuvers, gain confidence. Propeller guards work wonders. They allow this mini drone to survive longer than any other drone without guards, since propeller damage is the #1 killer of drones. This is a great gift for kids or adults who want to learn how to destroy drones without a huge financial impact. The high-speed rotation of the mini drone adds an element of excitement, creativity and entertainment to its flight. When you are enjoying acrobatic maneuvers, the rapid rotation of the mini drone provides an engaging and enjoyable experience for pilots and spectators alike. Mini drones are perfect for indoor flying due to their small size and maneuverability. They can easily maneuver through tight spaces, hallways and rooms. They can easily fit into a backpack or even a pocket for easy transportation and deployment. Number 5. The drone for kids is equipped with a vibrant array of LED lights that adorn its body, emitting an energetic mix of green, blue, and various other neon hues. This captivating illumination adds an enchanting ambience to the mini drone, making it a delight to fly for children, whether it be during the day or at night, indoors or outdoors. The mini drone for kids offers a diverse range of features. The headless mode eliminates any concerns of incorrect orientation, while the altitude hold feature allows the drone to effortlessly hover in mid-air. This facilitates the execution of various acrobatic maneuvers, such as the thrilling 360-degree flips. With rechargeable batteries and 3 remote control batteries. With a single charge, not only can it provide a continuous flight time of up to 8 to 15 minutes, but it is also easy to install. The drone with its one-key takeoff/landing function effortlessly ascends into the sky or descends to the ground at the press of a button. The mini quadcopter with high-quality ABS materials, the drone not only withstands numerous collisions or falls but also provides enhanced protection for its propellers and motors, ensuring longevity.